Have you heard the term dottore in Italian? Well, it isn't what you think it is. In today's video, we are going to look at how titles are used in Italian. So the most important and commonly used is dottore, but we'll also touch on a few others which are quite essential in Italian life. In fact, titles are very important in Italy and they are used all the time. In fact, it is a way of showing respect and formality. Let's dive in. Let's focus on the title Dottore. Dottore means doctor, meaning, a medical doctor. So that is correct. However, Dottore, it is used for anyone who has completed a university degree, regardless of their specific profession. So here perhaps it's good to know that when you refer to a medical doctor, you can also call them medico, il medico. So for example, you can say vado dal medico, I go to the doctor. But now let's go back to the actual title, Dottore, and let's see how it is used. For example, you can say Dottor Marco Rossi. Now, Dottor Marco Rossi, that is masculine, Dottor. Do you notice when we actually use it, Dottor, we don't actually pronounce Dottore, but we say Dottor, followed by the name. And we can even say, Buongiorno, Dottor Rossi. Okay, however, when you talk in the third person, then you must use the article. So if you are not talking directly to the person, but you are talking about the person, you must say il Dottor Rossi. So always remember to include the article. Let's have a look at the feminine. For the feminine, you have dottoressa. Now, so it will be Dottoressa Anna Bianchi, and you can say Buongiorno, Dottoressa Bianchi. And in the same way as for the masculine, you also say La Dottoressa Bianchi when you talk about that person. Notice that when you are writing Dottor e Dottoressa as titles, those are shortened to Dot, D-O-T-T, dot, and Dottoressa, D-O-T-T, dot, S-A, as you can see. So, Dottore isn't the only title you'll encounter in Italy. In fact, there are a series of titles related to their professional roles that we actually use. So, let's have a look at a few of these. So, for example, you have professore e professoressa. So, this title is used for teachers teaching in middle and secondary school, and of course at university. Avvocato. Avvocato is either a lawyer or a solicitor. Ingegnere, it's for engineer. And then you have architetto, and obviously that is architect. Using titles is very, very important, especially in writing. For example, we might open a formal email or letter with something on the lines of Egregio Avvocato Rossi or Gentile Professor Bianchi, and so on. Obviously, you need to use the correct title and the correct opening of this email. And formal language is very specific in Italian, and I have written a full blog about writing formal emails and letters in Italian, and you'll find the link in description. I hope this video has helped you better understand how to use titles in Italian. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Ciao!